Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we discussed how to connect a payment gateway like Stripe with Go High Level account, and we also created a product within Go High Level. In this video, we will see how to use that product in your funnels to receive the payments from your leads or from your clients. For that, first of all, go to the sites and then you will go to the funnels. And here you can see a funnel that we created in one of our previous videos. Now in this funnel, you can add a new step to receive payments. So we will add a new step. And we will name it, let's say it's payments. Then create the URL that can be flooring payment. And then hit create funnel step. Now we have added a new payment step. Now we can edit this step. Now you can design this page the way you want. I'm just going to show you how you can add the payments or order forms in your funnels. For that, I will simply add full width element, then add a row, and then add an element. And that element will be two-step order form. Now this is the first step of our order form. Now let's say you don't want to add the company name and the shipping details, so you can simply remove it from this form. For that, you will go to advanced options, and here you can hide the company name. And you can hide the shipping details. From here, you can also see how the step 2 will look like. And once you are completely okay with this two-step order form, hit save button. Alright, we have added the form in our funnel step. Our next step is to connect the product that we created in our last video. This is the most important step because this step will help you to collect the payments through your funnels. For that, you will click on the product. Now click on add product button. Then you will select the product that you want to add in your order form. And I'm gonna add floor inspection product. Then you will select the price, but we have already added the price in our product in our previous video. So we will hit the save button. Now, if I preview this funnel step, then you can see how the order form will be displayed for your visitors. Now, I'm going to fill in this form for you to show you how exactly it will work for your visitors. So first of all, we will fill in the first step. That will be name. And then we will type in email. Then phone number. And then you will go to the step 2. And here you can see the product items that we added. But there is no submit button here, right? Because we haven't yet connected the Stripe or any other payment gateway inside Go High Level. But the moment you will connect the Stripe, and then the submit button will be displayed here, and then you will be able to accept the payments without any problem. And that's it. You have now connected your products to your funnels, and once the Stripe is set up, you will be able to receive the payments. And I hope it will help you to get your payments through your funnels. But if you face any trouble in this process, you can ask me in the comment section. For now, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.